Now you probably worked that out, or the teachers have helped you to work that out, that was 55 years ago. Now we've got all our usual assembly bits and pieces today. It's golden tickets, so Jacob has helped me to spin the wheel, and we have book winners. We've also got 3 of these for today as usual. So what the teachers do now is that they write an email to me and they say, I think this person, insert name, should get a gold medal because, and they explain the reason, and I've got to choose the 3. It's been very hard this week, but we have 3 winners. This week is Maths Awards, so we'll be doing those a little bit later as well. What else have we got? Got Head Teachers Awards, brand new stickers. Miss Williams ordered them for me. She said, which ones do you like, Mr. Parker? And I said, oh, can I have them shiny and colourful? Look at those. Look at those. We've also got Head Teachers Awards, and we'll be stopping and pressing pause so that your teachers can give you the awards as well. But we've had quite a few birthdays this week. We've had people in reception going from 4 to 5. We've even had people in year 6 going from 10 to 11, and everybody in between. Now, I've been having rave reviews about my singing to say that it's absolutely fantastic. So, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday if you've had a birthday in the last week. Happy birthday to you. Come on, classes, give them a clap. Hello again, everybody. So last week you met David. He was one of the people who help us at Lipper Primary School. And like we said last week, there's everybody, loads of people. We've got our cleaners, we've got our teachers, we've got our parents, governors, there's that long, long list. And this week, you're going to meet Donna.
2, 1.
Hello, Donna.
Hello.
So, you're in our school quite a lot, and I've been talking to some of the children, and they want to ask you some questions about how you help us. So the first question is, can you tell us about your job?
Well, my job is a curriculum and pastoral support officer.
And what does that involve?
Well, that means I help children with their schoolwork, and I also make sure that there's no problems with them having to learn, to make sure everything's good at home as well.
Brilliant, thank you. And we see you a lot, but do you like working at Lipper Primary?
I don't like working at Lipper Primary. I love it. Honestly, Thursday is my favourite day of the week coming here.
Perfect. And somebody wanted to know, what's the best part of your job?
The best part of my job is getting to play with the children, because I must admit, they are very, very funny.
Somebody wanted to know, when you were a little girl, what job did you want to do? What was your magic job?
Well, when I was a little girl, the job I really, really wanted to do was be a lollipop lady. And like a school crossing patrol.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted to be.
And the last question is, somebody's had a thing and said, have you had any training to do your job? Did you do anything special training-wise?
Well, not so much, but over the years I've worked in theatres and done plays and music and play schemes. So I've done a lot of play things which come very useful for working in Lipper.
Brilliant. Thank you for your help, and thank you for being part of our assembly. So boys and girls, that was Donna. You'll have seen Donna about in our school, helping children, working in groups, working with children on their own, doing all sorts of things. And now you know what she does, and you also know that she loves Thursdays because that's when she comes into our school. Now, a new bit to our assemblies, Joke of the Week. Now, Joke of the Week this week was told to me by Faith, and it goes like this. What is a dinosaur's favourite tool in their toolbox? A dinosaur. Faith, that's terrible. So if anybody wants to tell me Joke of the Week, they can have theirs next week as well. Okay, it's time to start the awards. Mrs. Delaney loves a good maths award. Mrs. Delaney's our subject leader. And we're going to press pause in a second. And that is the time when your teachers in your class can give out the maths awards. Pause time. Very well done to all those maths award winners. Really pleased when anyone gets a maths award, but the ones that I really love are the people who perhaps struggle a bit with maths. Because I've told you before in assemblies that I didn't really like maths at school, and it was because I think my teachers didn't make it interesting. And that's where our projects are exciting, because we can link the maths, and all of you children can see that maths is really important. We need it every single day. Now, I've got some questions. We're going to press pause in a moment. So, on the way to work this morning, the light came on in my car. Now, it wasn't that the tyres were flat, and it wasn't that there was a problem with the engine. It was that I didn't have a lot of petrol. So I stopped at the petrol station, and boy, did I need good maths. So I've got 3 questions, all right? Now, all the phases can have a go at them, but I've got a question for each phase. So, question 1 is for phase 1. So, I put my petrol in the car, finished it, and then went into the shop. And there was some Twix there. You know, when you open a Twix, there's 2 bars of chocolate inside. Now, I thought, as a special treat tonight, I will buy everybody at my house a Twix. Now, there are 5 people at home, so I bought 5 Twix. Now, bearing in mind that when you open a Twix, there are 2 bars of chocolate. Phase 1 children, if I bought 5 Twix and there's 2 bars of chocolate in each Twix, how many bars of chocolate is that altogether? Okay, that's yours. Phase 2, now those Twix bars, 5 of them, cost 75p each. My question is, how much did those Twix bars, 5 of them, at 75p each, cost altogether? Phase 3. Now, my car is a diesel car, so I put diesel in it. And the price was £1.16 a litre. I put 35 litres into my car this morning at £1.16 a litre. My question is, and it's nearly time to press pause because I'm going to give you time, how much did I spend on diesel? I'll give you the answers after this pause. Pause time. Okay, that's enough thinking time. Here's the answers. So, phase 1. 5 people in my house. I went into the shop, bought 5 Twix, and there's 2 bars of chocolate in each Twix. So in the total bars of chocolate, I bought 10. Okay. Phase 2, the Twix was 75p each, and I bought 5 of them. So the answer that you should have got was £3.75. And back up to phase 3, but maybe somebody in phase 2 answered this question as well. So I 35 litres of diesel at £1.16p a litre. That comes to £40.60, and that should do me until the end of next week. So well done if you've got those questions right. And I think it's time for this. So in your class, your teachers will have some of these. They'll have stickers, and they'll also have head teacher pencils. So it's time for me to press pause and for your teachers to tell you which person in each class has won the Head Teachers Award. Well done to all our Head Teachers Award winners. Now remember, those Head Teachers Awards, there they are. There's only one of those per class every week. And I know from talking to your teachers, it's such a difficult decision to choose the person. And it can be for anything. It could be for art, a superb piece of art. It could be for working hard, doing an excellent piece of writing. It could be some research work. I was chatting to a couple of the girls in phase 3, year 5, and they were talking to me about the research work that they've been doing. Could literally be anything. But remember, we've got 14 classes at Lipper Primary now, so that means 14 head teacher certificates a week. Out of 356 children, I'm sure for phase 3 can work that out as a percentage for another day maybe. Well done everybody. Now, it's almost time for you to press pause again, because thank you to Jacob in year 5. Jacob came along earlier on Friday and helped me to press the spinning wheel, and we chose the people who have won the books. Remember, if you get to gold, you go in the draw. We spin the wheel, Jacob and I, and whoever comes out as the winners, 2 for each phase. We've sent an email to your teachers this morning. Jacob and I composed it, very well written, and it tells you who the winners are. So I'm about to press pause, and when I do, your teachers will read out who has won the books. Well done if you won the books. I'll just show you the selection. There they are. So if you are a winner, come over this afternoon, spend some time and choose the one that you want. So well done. Now, what's the last thing that we do? Hold on. It's these. So, are we ready? Okay. Here's number 1 winner. Now this person, I'll tell you the reasons, and you might think it's you. So, this person has got it for being very creative, for making the right choices, and being a Lipper role model. This person is in year 1. They're in the Philharmonic class. And the winner is Danshika. Danshika, I will bring your medal to your classroom later on. Well done. Give her a big clap, everybody. Next one. Works hard. Role model. Settled back into school very well. Very mature. Very caring of other people. And works incredibly hard. Now, you know what? There's a lot of children, I guarantee it, who are sitting up straight now thinking, hold on a minute, that could be me. Because that does, for me, say a lot about our children. It could be a lot of people, that. But it's year 3. It's Lamb Bananas. It's Tiam! Well done, Tiam, year 3 Lamb Bananas. This belongs to you. Is it real gold? Don't know. I will bring it along. Well done, Tiam. And last but by no means least, this person has got it for outstanding Lipper values. They work hard. They're really positive with their teacher saying they've got an infectious smile, and they're also a wonderful singer. And this person loves this song. I'm not going to sing it all. I'll sing a little bit of it. Country road, take me home to the play. Stop there. The winner is Rudy in Year 1 Playhouse. Well done, Rudy. Well done, Tiam. Well done, Danshika. And those are our 3 winners. I will bring your medals round, but let me just go through those reasons again. Creativity, right choices, role model, infectious smile, positive, Lipper values, country roads take me home. Settle back into school, role model, works hard. What can you say? Those are the things that we want from everybody in our primary school. Well done, everybody. It's nearly the weekend. Have a lovely weekend, and we'll see you on Monday morning with those big smiles at the gate. Take care, everyone.